In today's news, 55,000 bitcoins were withdrawn from exchange. Cardano will become a blockchain network. Elon Musk owns Twitter and crypto rises. Meta shares fall 25% on cryptocurrencies. Nokia believes the metaverse will replace cell phones. Binance invested $500 million for Musk. 55,000 bitcoins were withdrawn from exchange. Latest data from on-chain analytics firm CryptoQuant shows more BTC leaving major exchange Binance in a single day than ever before. Despite warnings that a macro bottom may not yet have occurred, Bitcoin investors have wasted no time in getting BTC above $20,000. The gains of the past 2 days generated a sea change to exchange user behavior, with BTC balances falling across the board in every areas. As the largest exchange by volume, Binance was of particular interest and saw a net position change of more than 55,000 BTC on October 26, the largest amount in history. Outflows outpaced all other buying sprees, including the $17,600 drop in June this year and the March 2020 drop. Cardano will become a blockchain network. Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson noted in a new video on his YouTube channel that his blockchain will in the long run become a network of blockchain according to Daily Hodl. Hoskinson said he believes that criticisms of proof-of-stake blockchains like Cardano are often inaccurate, especially those that claim that proof-of-stake chains are less accessible to the average person than proof-of-work. Hoskinson pointed out that anyone can buy a small computer like B-Link GTR5 and be a Cardano share group operator, SPO, or someone who runs a node that keeps the participation group running. This is one of the big differences for me, between Bitcoin mining and proof-of-work and proof-of-participation. When you see all these people in the Bitcoin world say, well, proof-of-stake is just a replication of core banking. Well, then I can go to Amazon and buy an $800 computer. Read some tutorials and manuals, and then boom, I'm participating in this system. Is it a replica of the world banking system? I don't think you really understand how the world banking system works. Hoskinson said, it's much more expensive to be a Bitcoin miner and be competitive in that sense and actually make a profit and do things there. You can certainly buy miners, but ASICs are expensive and chances are the vast majority of people who do well in that business are vertically integrated and spend hundreds of millions of dollars. Elon Musk owns Twitter and crypto goes up. On Thursday night, Twitter and Musk officially closed the takeover bid for the company for $44 billion, or the equivalent of $54.20 per share, as confirmed by several news outlets. After months of trying to cancel the offer, the story took a turn in October, when the billionaire and Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA, CEO signaled his intention to move forward with the original April deal. Musk appeared on Wednesday of this week at Twitter's San Francisco offices and sent a letter to advertisers clarifying his motives and addressing certain speculation about the purchase. Among the first, Musk has decided to oust several of Twitter's top executives. According to reports, he fired at least 4 senior managers, including CEO, Parag Agrawal, who had succeeded Jack Dorsey in the position since November 2021. In addition to Agrawal, he fired CFO Ned Siegel, General Counsel Sean Edgett, and Director of Legal Policy, Trust and Safety Vijaya Gad. All were reportedly escorted out of the company's facilities on Thursday, according to reports. Rumors had swirled this week that Musk planned to fire 75% of Twitter's staff once he took the company in hand. However, he addressed the speculation and denied to employees that it was part of his plans, according to a Bloomberg article. It is unclear whether Musk will want to continue with the cuts, but he has already advanced other plans for the company. Meta shares fall 25% due to cryptocurrencies. The company that owns Facebook, Meta, registered an abrupt fall in the price of its shares in the stock market due to doubts among investors about its strategy focused on the development of the metaverse. Bad results for Meta and its plans in the metaverse. According to information published by Specialized Media, Meta's shares lost 25% of their price on October 27 in the midst of what seems to be a high volume of sales. This was possibly due to fears associated with the losses registered by Reality Labs, its metaverse management, which this past quarter had a negative balance of $3.7 billion, which adds up to an annual red balance of about $9.4 billion. According to the Nasdaq Price Index, Meta shares were trading at $97.94 per unit at the time of publication, losing more than $30 from the values seen before the earnings report. This resulted in a drop for the company in the ranking of the entities and products with the largest market capitalization, as it fell to the bottom of it dropped to number 32 in the company's market cap ranking, trading at about $263.21 billion as of this writing. Nokia believes the metaverse will replace cell phones. 15 to 20 years ago, many people would die for a Nokia-branded cell phone. The multinational telecommunications company was primarily a company primarily focused on manufacturing cell phones, being a world leader in this sector between 1998 and 2014. However, it suffered a decline in market share as a result of the growing use of market as a result of the increasing use of smartphones from other vendors. Now Nokia predicts a near future in which smartphones will be displaced by the metaverse. Nokia believes that the metaverse will make those phones obsolete. Metaverse experiences will be driven by the use of virtual reality, VR, headsets and augmented reality glasses. VR, headsets and augmented reality glasses, and will allow users to interact in various activities. Industrial use will also be significant. While augmented reality devices still have a long way to go, Nokia believes there will be an increase in audience interest in such devices, which will drive this metaverse push. Nokia's Chief Strategy and Technology Officer, Nishant Batra, said during a visit to Texas. Binance invested $500 million for Musk. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, confirmed its participation in billionaire Elon Musk's Twitter acquisition deal. In a press release that was picked up by CoinDesk, Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao ratified that the company invested $500 million to back Musk with the purchase. The exchange giant's involvement as an equity investor had already been disclosed in May, a month after the Tesla CEO made its $44 billion bid. Zhao, CZ, who in May called Binance's investment a small contribution to the cause, said in a tweet on Friday that the $500,000 transfer of dollars was made 2 days ago. Reports have not confirmed this timeline. Binance joined others such as banks Morgan Stanley, Bank of America and Barclays, which also helped Musk with the financing. Each committed at least $2.5 billion, according to Forbes. Other participants that also deployed money for the deal include Sequoia Capital, Qatar Investment Authority and Fidelity, to name a few.